Understanding Timber Shipment, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, timber shipment. This is a commonly used term in trade and logistics. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in real-life contexts. Before we delve into timber shipment, it's essential to understand what timber is. Timber refers to wood that has been processed into beams and planks. It's a crucial material for construction, furniture, and various other applications. Now, let's talk about shipment. Shipment means the process of transporting goods from one place to another. This can be done via road, rail, sea, or air. In our context, it's about moving timber. Combining the two, timber shipment refers to the transportation of timber from its place of origin to where it is needed. This could be for construction sites, manufacturing facilities, or international trade. In international trade, timber shipment is significant. Countries with rich forest resources export timber to countries where it is in demand. This process involves legal, environmental, and logistical considerations. Here are some related terms. Lumber, another term for processed wood. Logistics, the management of transporting goods. Export and import, sending goods out of a country and bringing them in, respectively. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what timber shipment means and how it's used, especially in the context of trade and logistics. Remember, expanding your vocabulary can open doors to understanding more complex topics. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.